Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video, Decentraland. Yeah, you're searching for that, you wanna see what's happening. Maybe it popped up in your YouTube front page and you're watching the video. I probably you're searching for it because I think this is a video people are searching for. It pumped up 100%, so people are searching for it. So I just want to make this video because yesterday I made a video about chilies, and you know, when something pops up, I think some kind of warning to the people should be given before they pump more money into this. Okay, so let's get into charts and tell you what I actually mean about this. So as you can see here, the Decentraland pumped just this day around the 100. No, this is week. This week is 200%, but this day is. Let's see how much today is. I think it was 100% up from the week down to the week up 105%. So you know, when something pumps up 100% during a day, you can be pretty sure somebody's gonna take some profits on that. So let's see what's actually happening. We're gonna start with the monthly chart. I'm gonna explain to you what's been happening with the Decentraland. So you just got some rough feeling about it. This is a monthly close up here, and once we broke the monthly close, we pumped hard. Weekly close is up here, and the daily close is up here. These are important resistance lines that had to be broken before the price could actually move further higher up. Let me just zoom in so I can put this line up here very nicely. Okay, so let's zoom out and get back to the line, and you can see, especially on the weekly, you can see that when the price started going up, it had this monthly close up here that we went back and then retested it before we moved further up, right? So we went above the resistance line, retested and moved back up. The same happened again this weekly and the daily close, all-time high close. We went up, retested it as support, and pumped up. So right now that's what's happening. The reason we are pumping hard is because we retested the all-time high as a support. So all-time high is support, we retested, we confirmed it, and then the pump came. So the question now comes, how far this is gonna go, what's gonna happen. I'm here to tell you that this move is actually finished. It might actually go more up or more down, I don't, but it's in a finishing phase. I won't hold this for next week, to say it like that. And this is some kind of parabolic move. It's starting going right and going higher and moving higher up. And this move, to me, it looks like it's gonna be finished, and I'm gonna explain to you why I think that. So let's pull up some. We're gonna keep this one. We're gonna just use this indicator down here. This is the speed of the price, how fast price is moving on the one side or the other side, and you can see here basically how far it gets away from the 10 moving average on all the time frames. So it's right now all the way up here, and you can see that usual trading pattern. For the weekly, it's down here, right? So through all its life, it's never been this extended as it is now, so that we have to be cautious about that. Also look at the daily. You can see at the daily over here clearly, this pump over here, this is 1 day pump, so we're gonna disregard this. Maybe somebody just market bought and sold, but usually the trading is in this range below here. In this range, even lower, actually, even lower, all the way down here. Wait, all the way down here. So basically the trading range is below the 0 line and this one line over here. So every time it pops up, it's kind of overbought, and when it pops above all that again, it's really overbought. I mean, it's really extended, and it has to have some kind of pullback. You can see here we had this we had the same top over here and over here 2 times, and we had the pullback. I know you might what you want to say now, yeah, but just because it's overextended doesn't mean it's gonna crash to zero, and that's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's gonna crash to zero, I'm saying it's gonna have a pullback. And you can see here clearly that every time it either goes sideways or you get some kind of pullback. Over here you got this crash down, over here you got this small move down. All of these big the bigger moves, these gets even this small over here was pulling it, but it was just pushing the price higher up. This is really really worrying, this zigzag pattern this high above the zero line. That means that price will really be pushed up to the top, and that's why I think this move up here right now needs some kind of correction, so we can pull the pull back down to the moving averages. And that's one of the reasons why I think we are overextended, and this is very important, because I don't want you to take your money and give it money to somebody else, because that's what is going to happen to you now if you start buying now. Because right now, when something goes 100%, people are going to start taking profits, and I don't want you to be the guy that are going to give the other guys the money, because somebody got to give the money to the guys taking the profits. Okay, so it's a good thing you found this video if you're interested in getting into the Decentraland. Now it's not the time to get into it. I mean, of course, not a financial advice. You do with your trades what you want to do with your trades. I do my trades. You do with your money what you want to do with your money. I'll do with my money what I want to do with my money. My opinions only and all that shebang. But if I was you, I would not get into this. So I did yesterday about Chile's. The same thing happened. It went parabolic. It had some kind of pullback, and it's still around the top. But will it pump 100% tomorrow or not? I don't know. Depends how good it trades. But right now, you have to see what's gonna happen. You have to see what's gonna happen. And the last thing I want to show you, it's Bollinger Bands. I don't know if you know what Bollinger Bands are. Basically, it follows the price movement around certain moving average and see how it performs. And you can see this. Let's look on a weekly chart over here. When you get these big dumps, you know you are either overbought or really oversold. I mean, price is moving too far away from the moving average. And when you get these kind of really big dumps, that's like game over. Something's gotta happen. And I'm gonna show you what I mean when we go into the Bitcoin chart over here just for a second, and we're gonna zoom out in Bitcoin, and you can see here 2014, 2018, and this is 2021, soon to be one of these big giant drops on the chart. Again, it start going like this, and then it just turns around and start dropping really fast all the way like down there. And that's the same thing that's gonna happen to Mana right now. Or it's actually happening to Mana right now, because it's hitting that parabolic top right now. So all this said and done, what I want to do with this video, I just warn you, give you a friendly warning, because on this channel we do technical analysis, and you can also see that all of the resistances, you can see it's hitting some kind of resistance up there, but we draw this a little more precise. You can see that we are already broken all kind of resistances, and there are actually no more resistances to be drawn up here just by looking at the chart. It doesn't matter how you draw it. It's all of the resistances from the trending lines are being broken. We are in parabolic move. We are way up, and we did like 100% in one day. Will it do 100 or 200%? Will it go even higher up? It might. I'm not saying that it can't, but there is no promises. Right now it's mania phase. In mania phase is if you bought down here, in mania phase is usually a good time to take some kind of profits. If you know anything about profit taking, you want to average profit down, you want to take out, you know, because it's mania phase. Everybody's euphoric. Everybody thinks it's gonna go to the moon, and I'm not saying it won't go, but it's gonna happen too fast, and you have to ask yourself, am I that good of a trader to time the top to get out? Because after this, nobody knows what's gonna happen. Anyways, now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel to get more of these videos. Warnings, good buys, bad buys, this and that, learn more technical analysis and all that. Because we do on this channel, we do technical analysis. We don't do the fundamentals. We don't care about next project, next update, next this and that. We just care if the price is gonna go up and down, and we only look at the technicals to see if that's gonna happen. Anyways, thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe button, all the buttons, post down in comments for the YouTube algorithm and all that shebang. Thanks guys, see you later today, because there is coming one more video today.